Earlier this month, the state started implementing the Texas Women's Privacy Act. It requires government-owned facilities to designate bathrooms for use of individuals of one biological sex. The creator of the law said the intent is to keep men out of the women's restroom. This week, the Attorney General's office created a new tool to enforce the law, but that tool may lead to legal ramifications. The Texas Women's Privacy Act has put a lot of attention on bathrooms in government-owned buildings. For women like Brooke Slusser, the new law is an ace. You may remember her. She was a volleyball player at San Jose State University who did not know she was living and playing on the court with a transgender athlete. The revelation led her to fight for this bathroom bill in her home state of Texas.
Imagine you have a 12-year-old that's trying to go to the bathroom and get changed, and they see a grown man in front of them and go running and screaming to their mom. I mean, it's traumatizing.
We are being kicked out of the Capitol.
But the change is facing backlash. Days after the law was enacted, a group of protesters tried using the restroom in the state capitol building. Rai Vasquez, a transgender woman who captured this video, said DPS troopers singled her out when she tried to use the women's restroom. She ended up in handcuffs.
We're seeing it all across Texas where people are just being blatantly discriminated, profiled, and it is something that is a choice that is now going to have to weigh on me every time I make it.
There is a lot of confusion about how this law will be enforced. This week, the Attorney General's office put a tip line on its website. It allows individuals to report a state-funded institution for possible violations. The form itself asks for evidence of these violations, including photos.
This looks like the Texas Attorney General encouraging private citizens to go out and act as private potty police.
It's important to note, the tip line doesn't explicitly ask for photos of individuals, but civil rights attorney Austin Kaplan said this may encourage illegal behavior. He said there are 3 areas of the Texas Penal Code that outlaw taking pictures of someone in the bathroom.
That's going to potentially lead to criminal liability for people that do that.
Vasquez said she's not allowed on the Capitol grounds for a year, or else she'll be charged with criminal trespass. As the state enters new legal ground, Vasquez said she doesn't know where she belongs.
I have no doubt that I will face adversity when it comes to whatever bathroom I choose.
Under the new law, only state agencies and political subdivisions face a financial penalty for not complying with the law.
People desperately want change. They know our system is broken.
Texas Democrats have a lot of choices in the race to decide who challenges Greg Abbott. We'll hear from the top candidates making their case to win your vote. A presidential order aims to give the U.S. an advantage in artificial intelligence, but that plan could create a conflict with a new state law set to take effect in just days.